We are here today to talk about the tourism aspects with the stakeholders, knowing the type of drawbacks or setbacks that the industry may face. The first quarter of the year, that is January to March 2025, had better numbers, international and domestic, compared to last January to March 2024. Suddenly, May month, this particular thing happened from the end of April, which definitely is going to affect tourism for this particular month. We are seeing a lot of cancellations. We are seeing a lot of cancellations of bookings in terms of hotels, visits, inbound tourism, international and domestic. When we look at international travel, we have been attending the Arabian Travel Mart where we promoted the monsoon tourism. Monsoon tourism monsoon कशे promote करप ते तांचे हॉटेलांचे एक विचार आयकूंक मेळ्ळे. We are expecting double number of Russians that vis-a-vis what we expect got them as last year. And अशे numbers समज आमकां मेळपाक लागले जाल्यार ओवरऑल इकॉनॉमिक कॉन्ट्रिब्युशनाक आमी पळोवपाक बरें पडटलें. जशें कॉम्पिटिशन वाडटा स्वता इम्प्रोवायज करचें पडटा आनी ताचे खातीर C and D कॅटेगरी हॉटेल्साकूय आमी व्हेरी क्लियरली सांगलां की they will have to start improvising their facilities, their amenities to keep in tune with competition, not only in the state but also knowing that the neighboring states have been moving in this direction. ताज्या खातीर तांकां कितें सपोर्ट जाय तो पळोवंक लायिल्लो आसा. सो ओवरऑल हॉटेल इंडस्ट्रीक समज सपोर्ट सारको मेळ्ळो जाल्यार आय थिंक वी विल बी एबल टू टेक केअर ऑफ द एकोमोडेशन. द डेटा विच आय एम शेअरिंग विथ यू ऑफ 2024 एंड विजिट 25 डॉमेस्टीक आमचे आशिल्ले 14,53,592. 2025 तोच पिरियड जॅन टू मार्च 15,225,000 आशिल्लो. फॉरेनर्स आशिल्ले इन 2024 जॅन टू मार्च 84,099 आणि 25 जालो 1,05,233. So if 2024 had a total of domestic and international of 15,37,691 tourists coming from various parts of the country and the world between the period of Jan-March 2024, there are 25 and it was 16,05,458. What data kidak sangta, a lot of viewpoints were shared ki recession ayala, bakicha ayala. I think we have to be very responsible in giving statements.